Because if there are no prospects...
In a petition that was filed challenging the academic qualifications and credentials of Kawempe North MP Mohamed Ssegirinya that was heard today, court asked petitioners to go back and forge a way forward. The three different parties in this petition were asked by court to make one single application before court instead of filing three separate applications.
And then we can move to the next stage of scheduling. Because there's no way I'm going to hear one by one. They're all related. So let's consolidate them, frame issues, and then each of you can address on those issues.
The three applications include an application by Electoral Commission to dismiss the petition filed by former Kawempe North contestant Sulaiman Chidandala to dismiss the petition after failing to serve the MP Mohamed Ssegirinya. An application by Salim Serunkuma, who also participated in the Kawempe North elections, who wants court to allow him join forces with Chidandala. And thirdly, an application filed by petitioner Sulaiman Chidandala seeking court to make orders to Chitaja prison to access CCTV footage and video evidence to bring to court as proof that indeed Ssegirinya was served.
To inspect the books and the cameras in Chitaja as proof as to whether our advocate who went to Chitaja actually went there. Then also to bring phone reports, these ones from Airtel and MTN, because they show you that we are moving in a particular direction.
Sulaiman Chidandala still insists Ssegirinya was served and has repeatedly said there are some officials who want him to back out of this case.
I have explained quite very openly that there's a lot of pressure because so many forces are insisting that the respondent should be left in Parliament for whatever interests, and that's not my concern. But to my dismay is that all these are more or less government forces that are trying to push for this kind of position.
The Ssegirinya case will return tomorrow for hearing. Elsewhere in court, Aloysius Mukasa has been confirmed as the validly elected MP for Lubaga South constituency after DP Ssegirinya Nasolo withdrew an election petition she had earlier filed against him.
So my final decision is that this leave is granted to have this petition withdrawn by the petitioner.
The petition was withdrawn after both parties agreed to bury the hatchet with each other, deciding to bear their own costs. Nasolo had contended that Mukasa is not fit to be an MP as he lacks the requisite academic papers, adding that he is also not a registered voter in the constituency as required by law. Mukasa was overwhelmed with joy.
So I thank those who stood by me from the very beginning up to this very end. So I commit myself to be a unifying but not a divider, a fighter but not a timider.
Flavia Ninkuze, CTV, PM Edition.